Attention students, the most famous medical entrance exam of India, that is the NEET entrance exam, was held this year on the 12th of September 2021, and the results for the same are going to be out this month itself. Students can check their results once they're out on the NTA website, that is neet.nta.nic.in. बहुत जल्द नीट अंडरग्रेजुएट सीट्स की काउंसलिंग भी शुरू हो जाएंगी, and as pre-decided, 85% of those seats would be under the state government counseling, while 15% of those seats would be under the All India quota. In All India quota seats की counseling तीन medical organizations करेंगी. For the medical courses, the Medical Counseling Committee; for the veterinary courses, the Veterinary Council of India; and for the Ayush courses, the Ayush Admissions Central Counseling Committee. More than 15 lakh students gave the NEET exam this year, and the number of seats available are a mere 80 to 85,000. ऐसे में काफी बच्चे इन सीट्स की रेस में पीछे रह सकते हैं, and this is when MBBS abroad comes out to be one of the best options, and that's where we come in. Affinity Education has tie-ups with some of the top-ranking universities across Russia, Ukraine, Georgia, the Philippines, Kazakhstan, and Kyrgyzstan, and some of them are ranked even higher than the prestigious AIMS Delhi. You will no longer have to compromise with your medical career dreams. Thank you.